Saul was a powerful man, and he did not believe in Jesus. In fact, he was on a mission to stop anyone who followed him. But God had a plan to change his life forever. One day, on the road to Damascus, a bright light flashed from the sky. Saul fell to the ground. He couldn't see. For 3 days he was blind. He didn't eat or drink. He just waited and prayed. At the same time, God sent a man named Ananias to visit Saul. Ananias prayed for him, and suddenly, Saul could see again. But it wasn't just his eyes that changed. His heart was changed too. Saul was baptized and given a new mission. He was no longer the enemy of Jesus. He became one of his greatest followers. From that day on, he was called Paul. Paul put on the helmet of salvation because Jesus had saved him and made him new. This helmet reminds us that when we trust Jesus, he protects our minds and gives us new life. Jesus saved Paul, and he can save you too. No matter where you've been, Jesus can give you a brand new start. Want to hear more about the armor of God? Subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss the next story.